Well, just ran across this guy. I don't know what kind of cowper this is. It's about the ugliest thing I've ever seen. And that seems to be pretty gentle. It's funny how still they get when you pick them up. He's got spikes. I guess aliens do exist. Here, I'm going to put him right back down here. I don't know that much about these. That's a weird caterpillar. Just a beautiful day. And they're walking through the woods. Loggers are heading out. Like I say, it's just awesome. I don't know what this little guy is. Just beautiful. Hope everyone's enjoying it. Peace.